Hey beautifuls, welcome again to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn how to mix our collagen. All you need is 200 ml of water and then 1 scoop of collagen. When you are taking collagen, make sure you drink more water. If you can take at least 1 liter of water a day, it will be very good for your health. So you need 200 ml with 1 scoop of this collagen, and you can mix it with either coffee, smoothie. You can mix it in your smoothies, your coffee, your drinks, any food you want. You can mix your collagen with it, okay? But make sure you drink enough water, and then your skin will be supple.